Base44 is a no-code and low-code platform designed to help you build SaaS products faster without needing a full engineering team. It handles things like authentication, databases, and deployment, so you can focus on the product itself. The first step is to clearly define your SaaS idea. You need to know what problem you're solving, who it's for, and what the core feature is. Keep it simple at the start. Most successful SaaS products begin with one main function instead of many. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling or promoting this product. Everything here is based on public information and common warning signs of misleading marketing. Next, create your Base44 account and start a new project. Base44 usually provides templates for common SaaS use cases like dashboards, admin panels, or subscription-based apps. Choose the template closest to your idea so you don't start from zero. After that, design your data structure. This means defining tables such as users, subscriptions, payments, or content, depending on your app. Base44 allows you to visually create and manage databases without writing SQL, which makes this step much easier. Then, set up authentication and user roles. Most SaaS products need user login, email verification, and different access levels like admin and regular users. Base44 has built-in authentication tools, so you just configure the rules instead of coding everything manually. Once users can log in, you can build the core features of your app. This might be a form, a dashboard, a tracking system, or an automation tool. Base44 lets you connect UI elements to your database using logic blocks or workflows instead of raw code. After your main features work, integrate payments. If your SaaS is paid, you'll need subscriptions or one-time payments. Base44 usually supports Stripe or similar payment providers, allowing you to lock features behind a paid plan. Before launching, test everything carefully. Create test accounts, simulate payments, check permissions, and make sure nothing breaks when multiple users are active. This is where many SaaS founders catch critical issues. Finally, deploy and launch your SaaS. Base44 handles hosting and deployment, so once you hit publish, your app goes live. From there, you can collect feedback, improve features, and gradually scale.